The setting is virtual. The patients and their stories are real. Here's how you can use our patented technology to boost your skills and enhance your clinical competency. You can expand your knowledge through observation. You can interview patients as well as their families and caregivers. You can collaborate with other professionals. You can diagnose, make recommendations, and provide intervention. Ready to get started? Meeting our patients and learning from their stories now can prepare you to connect with your patients in the future. Simucase, creating connections, inspiring confidence.